Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change width of columns in the Excel, how you can adjust measurement, how you can give the same width to the all columns at once. So how you can do this? So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So here the quick way, I have the data for you, so I'm going to show you how to do this. I just undo because I just did this. Okay, so here you can see the my column width. This is I just zoom it so you can see the improper way. So there is two way you can do this. So we'll see one by one. So we'll start with the first way. First way, just you have to click between the column. Okay, so you can see that this double head arrow here. So guys, once you see this double head icon, just click right button and hold it. Sorry, just click left button of your mouse and hold it, and you can increase the width as you want. Okay, then you can see the Excel also show the width count like 27.14, 27.16, 18, 9. Okay, so has been increase the width of column. Okay, so if you want to do in manually, so just click on column and right click of your mouse and go to the width column width, and you can give the in manually. So it's 25, the column width has 25 change. Okay, so if you want to do if you want to change same width for all columns, or you want to change multiple columns width at once, so just select the columns you want. If you want to select you want to select the multiple columns, you can see change it. Okay, just click the just hold the column and just drag the leaf you want to change, drag as you want to select. I select three column, and now just right click and column width and change column width at once, multiple columns at once. Okay, just want to. And guys, if you want to change consecutively width of columns, so just click first column, then hold the control key of keyboards. Just click and hold control key, and now you can select the another column and just click right and column width. Now also you can change consecutively width of columns. Okay. Sometime what happen, guys? If I have column with the huge data like this, okay, so you can see the all data which not available in one cell, and you can see the here. So in this case you can wrap the data, like you have to go in home and click on the wrap. So the data will be wrapped. If you don't want to wrap, so just hold the cursor here and double head cursor will come, just double click, then column width automatically hide as per your data. Okay, in content is include. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for